Hi, I'm Gary Bebow, CEO of WRHS System, and this is my October CEO Connection. I'm really pleased to have with me today Dr. Stacey Gibson, who just recently joined our staff. Dr. Gibson works with Robin Kerr and is located where, well, actually Dr. Dennis Davidson used to practice over on Harrison Street. So we've really been looking forward to Dr. Gibson joining us. We've had some the recruitment started years ago, and so this anticipation, we've been really anxious for or eager for this to occur. So Dr. Gibson, during this recruitment process, we first got to know you through the Jonesboro AHEC.
That's right.
So how did that go, and what made you decide to come to Batesville to practice?
Megan Townsend reached out to me at one of the dinners, and I came here later on for a visit to Batesville. I really enjoyed everybody here. Everybody was so friendly and kind. You could tell the community was a close community, and this was the best option for me and my husband at the end of my training in Jonesboro.
Sure. But you originally are from Wynn, and so that's down in the Delta. So
Yes.
it's a little bit different for you to be up here in the hills.
Yeah, it's beautiful up here. I really enjoy it.
I know that we're really pleased to have you here as well. So you're a family medicine physician. Anything particular that you want to practice, or how you want to practice?
Yeah, I really chose family medicine because I like the breadth of it and seeing all different sorts of patients. I like to see children. We see adults, aging adults, women's health especially, pediatrics as well.
Mm-hmm. What kind of hours of operation do you have over at your location?
We are there Monday through Friday. Robin Kerr is there, the APRN. She's there Monday through Thursday. I'm there Tuesday through Friday from the hours of 7:30 to 5:30.
So you welcome walk-ins and
Absolutely
take people as needed.
Mm-hmm.
I know in this community right now there's a real need for physicians like yourself. So I know you're going to be really busy as time goes by, and I understand you're already off to a great start.
Yes, yeah, we are.
So welcome. We're glad to have
Thank
you
you
here, and I know we'll be seeing a lot more of you in and around the hospital and the community, and so I know you're going to do great things for us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'm pleased to announce that Stone County Medical Center has chosen Carol Slater for their Employee of the Month. She's been in the Environmental Services Department for 10 years, and she's noted for being very meticulous and helpful in her duties. So I'll be sure to recognize Carol for her accomplishment. At Waiver Medical Center, Terry Brandon, who works in our payroll department, has been chosen for prompt service. She's been here 15 years. In fact, I'm the one that nominated her for the award, so it's good for me to see that the committee recognized my nomination and rightfully chose Terry for that recognition. So be sure to congratulate Terry if and when you see her. Lots going on in the construction at Waiver Health System. The Newport and Southside clinics are to be completed in mid-October, and they may be a little bit later in the month, or maybe the beginning of November, but they're well underway, and we're really looking forward to those two new facilities. For those of us that work at Waiver Medical Center, everyone's been noticing the progression of the emergency room renovation project. Again, that one is to be completed sometime near the end of October. And boy, I really feel like we're going to have one of the finest emergency room facilities anywhere in the state. So my hat tips to all of you that have been involved in that service. I know for the last several months there's been a lot of construction and noise going on, and yet we've done a great job taking care of patients. So it's been really a great job, and I'm looking forward to that project being completed. Our adult psych unit, Stepping Stone, is under renovation, and like the previous projects, that will be completed in October as well. That'll take our adult psych unit from 12 beds to 24, pretty much occupying all of 2 Central, and along with Dr. Rhines in Sinclair, we're going to have a great service there as well. So those projects are really important to the system, and they're nearing completion, so great job. I'm pleased to announce some new providers that have just joined the medical staff. Susanna Blackburn, an APRN, is currently seeing patients at our Drasco Medical Clinic. At the same time, we're finishing a clinic in Heber Springs where Susanna will be the APRN there. So during this period of time, probably near the end of November, the Heber Springs clinic will be completed and Susanna will practice at that location. Brian Perry is an APRN that works at the Stepping Stone. A little bit earlier I mentioned about the expansion of the Stepping Stone, and Brian is really a great addition to that professional crew up there, so glad to have Brian aboard. Angel Samuel is an APRN who's joined the Interventional Pain Management Program, so we're glad to have Angel with us. Judy Tevabaugh will be joining Dr. Tim Young at the Midway Medical Clinic. Judy is a APRN, and I know Dr. Young and all of us are really looking forward to having her join his practice. We have two community events coming up in October. On October 4th, the Health First annual event is taking place at UACCB from 4 to 7. A lot of our providers and services will be spotlighted at the event. In fact, a little bit earlier you met Stacey Gibson, Dr. Gibson, and she will have a booth there as well. So if you haven't met Dr. Gibson before, be sure to come out and welcome her to the staff. On October 11th, we have our community education event. This month, Dr. Steve Alexander will speak about breast care, and so at noon at the Josephine Ray Rogers Center. Come and listen to Dr. Alexander give his presentation and have lunch with us. This concludes my CEO connection. As in the past, if you have any suggestions how we can make improvements, be sure to let us know. So have a good month. Enjoy this cooler weather in October.